All right, it's another trading day. It's Thursday, February 13th, 2025. And if you look over in my accounts dashboard, you'll see I only got 3 accounts that I traded today. And the reason for that is I actually got up here to my PC late. I came up after market open. I'm not feeling very good right now. I was almost crapping my pants. So had to deal with that situation downstairs first. And I was very late getting the kids ready and stuff. So got up here around 9:32 or 33 EST, and already I don't like to arrive late there. That makes me feel like I probably missed a good trade, and I don't want to just jump in late and then end up taking 2 losses or something. So I just kept the risk low again today with only copying to 1 PA and 1 eval. And then this 303 you see here on another eval, that is, I'm copying to that one during the 10 a.m. session, just, seeing how it goes. But definitely the ideal time for me right now is 9:30 to 10. So I guess that's it for the update. It's been pretty crazy price action, wild action up and down on these 15-minute candles. Oh, you can't see that. That's right. So let me go to this 15-minute chart. So look at those wicks. That's pretty intense after our move lower last night. And then, I forgot what's on the calendar, but maybe that and some Trump tweets. Who knows what's going on? So what is this? This looks like an entry. Okay, so yep, got what looks like a buy entry here on one of my other evals. I'm doing 3 contracts on this one, so probably dumb decision, but it's just on an eval. It's on the one that is furthest away from passing, and I used to do 5 contracts on my 50K evals and just pass them very quickly. So it is what it is. Doing this right now is probably a symptom of me feeling a little bit of FOMO because I arrived late and only traded a couple accounts, etc. And there we are out at break even for $30. Well, we're supposed to be. Looks like that exit did not copy somehow. So let's go over to 158. Oh, we're still at break even, but it's not managing the trade anymore. So I'm going to go ahead and I see what happened. Okay, let's go ahead and close that out, because what happened is it filled 2 of the contracts and then it left 1 there. I might want to figure that out. Like if there was an exit and not all the contracts were filled, then maybe I can't have it submit a market order for the remaining contract, just as a safety precaution. And yeah, I think I'm going to just call it a day. I'm really not feeling good. I got to do a doctor's appointment later and see if I can get some medicine or something. Got something from my kids again, from my littlest one who gets it from daycare. So rough time right now. Hope your trading is going well, and I'll see you in the next one.